This is Shah Bano. Her fight for justice after her divorce literally shook the entire country.
So, can a new law just erase a court's biggest decision? Her case asked exactly that.
At 62, she was divorced and left with absolutely nothing, so she had to sue for support. After a really long fight, the Supreme Court finally ruled in her favor. It was a historic moment.
You see, the court chose secular law, giving her lifelong support, not just the usual 90 days.
This was a massive win for women's rights, a real step toward equality for everyone.
But not everyone was happy. The ruling sparked huge protests across the nation.
The government felt the heat. So they passed a brand new law in 1986 to deal with it.
And this new law, it basically just erased the Supreme Court's decision. Her victory was gone.
It looked like it was all over. But hang on, the story doesn't end there.
Years later, another case came along to challenge that new law, right back on the Supreme Court.
The court got creative. They came up with this brilliant idea, a reasonable and fair provision.
So what did that mean? Well, they made the new law work with the spirit of the original ruling.
In the end, the spirit of the law won. Justice was served thanks to some really smart thinking.
This whole saga leaves us with a huge question. Who really has the final say? Parliament or the courts?